To transfer money from Chase to Venmo, you will need to link your Chase account to your Venmo account. Start by opening the Venmo app and navigating to the Settings menu, which can be found by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the Settings menu, select Payment Methods and then add a bank or card. Choose the banking option and search for Chase. Then select it from the list of available banks. You will be prompted to enter your Chase online banking username and password to authenticate the connection. Once your Chase account is linked, you can initiate a transfer by going to the Venmo app and tapping the Manage Balance option. Select Add Money and then choose your Chase account as the funding source. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that transfers from Chase to Venmo are typically processed within 1 to 3 business days. Although instant transfers are available for a small fee, you should also be aware of any transfer limits or fees associated with your Chase account and Venmo account. To avoid any issues with your transfer, ensure that your Chase account and Venmo account are both active and in good standing. It is also crucial to verify that the information associated with both accounts, such as your name and address, matches exactly to prevent any potential delays or rejections. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily transfer money from your Chase account to your Venmo account, allowing you to make payments and send money to friends and family quickly and conveniently.